Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to save YouTube Shorts in playlist. There are only two ways in which you can save YouTube Shorts. One is you can save your own YouTube Shorts in playlist and another is you can save your watch history of Shorts in playlist. To save your own YouTube video on a playlist, go to your YouTube application. Now, here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on you with the profile on the down right corner. Now here you can see your videos option. Tap on your videos. Now here you can see the videos that you have uploaded. Now you can tap on shorts that you have uploaded and look for the shorts. Then you can tap on three dots present near the shorts. Now tap on save to playlist. With that, here you can see two options. You can either save the playlist on the playlist that is already existing, or you can tap on new playlist and create your own playlist. You can add the title of your playlist and select the privacy. With that, tap on create. With that, you can save YouTube Shorts that you have uploaded in a playlist. Now, to upload other YouTube Shorts, you can directly go to You page. Then here you can see history. Tap on View All option near history. Now here you can see all the shorts that you have viewed. Now tap on three dots present on the cover of the shorts. Then you can tap on Save to Playlist. With that, you can add the shorts on the playlist that is already created, or you can create the new playlist as well. You can do this process for various of shorts and create the playlist. After you create your playlist, tap on You. Then you can see playlists. Tap on View All. Then tap on the playlist in which you have saved your video. This is how we can save YouTube Shorts in playlist. As you can see here, my YouTube Shorts are saved in my playlist that I have just created. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.